Good morning students. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 10, 11 and 12 from exercise 11.3 chapter 11 perimeter and area. In question number 10 it is given that look at this diagram from a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter, the outer circular sheet whose radius is given 14 centimeter. Two circular portions, radius is 3.5 centimeter. I have given here radius of each smaller circle is 3.5 centimeter. This is 3.5 centimeter. This is also 3.5 centimeter, and the outer circle whose radius is given 14 centimeter, and a rectangular piece whose length is 3 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. Rectangular portion, length is 3 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter, is removed from this larger circle. What you have to find out? You have to find out the area of the remaining portion of this circular sheet. Understood? Now we will do the sum. First of all, we have written all these portions which are given here, which portions are given here: radius of the bigger circle, radius of each smaller circle, length of the rectangular portion, breadth of the rectangular portion. Now which one you have to find out? Area of the remaining sheet after removing two circular portion and one rectangular portion. Okay. Now the solution of this sum. Now area of the bigger circle, pi r square, where r is 14 centimeter. So pi is 22/7, it is given, and r square means 14 square centimeter square. 22/7 into 14 into 14, 196 centimeter square. Cancel it, 28. Now 22 into 28, it will be 600. 22 into 28 is equal to 616 centimeter square. 616 centimeter square. 616 centimeter square. Now area of the two smaller circle. We need to find out area of two smaller circle. Equal to 2 into pi r square. 2 into pi into small r square. 2 into 22/7 into 3.5. Radius of the smaller circle is equal to 3. It is given 3.5, so 3.5 square centimeter square. 2 into 22/7 into 3.5 into 3.5. It is, if you multiply, you will get 12.25 centimeter square. 12.25 into 2, 22/7. 12.25 into 2, it will be 24.5 centimeter square. If we want to cancel 24.5/7, we will get, now if you cancel it, you will get 3.5. Now 3.5 into 22, multiply, and you will get 77 centimeter square. Now area of the two smaller circle also you have find out. Now area of the rectangle. Rectangular portion, length is 3 and breadth is 1 centimeter square, that is 3 centimeter square. Therefore area of the remaining portion, area to be removed, area to be removed, area of the smaller circles, two smaller circle plus this one, so 77 plus 3 centimeter square equal to 80 centimeter square. Therefore area of the remaining sheet, which you have to find out, now area of the remaining sheet, 616 minus 80, because 616 was the larger area of the larger circle. You will subtract area to be removed, that means 77 plus 3, that is 80. We will get 635 centimeter square, 536 centimeter square, and this is the answer of this sum. If you do the sum step by step, it will be easy for you. Next sum. Now question number 11. A square sheet is given whose sides are 6 centimeter. In this question it is given a circular sheet, a circular portion of radius 2 centimeter is cut out from a square sheet of side 6 centimeter. So the side of the square is 6 centimeter and the circular portion radius is 2 centimeter. Now you have to find out, after removing the circular sheet from the square sheet, what is the area of the remaining sheet. So what you have to find out, first you can find out the area of the square, then you will separately you find the area of the circle, and then you subtract area of the circle from the area of the square, you will get the result. Here value of pi is given 3.14. If it is given 3.14, so we have to use it. Now side of the square sheet is 6 centimeter given and radius of the circle is given 2 centimeter. Now a solution of this sum, area of the square, area of the square sheet 6 into 6 centimeter square, that is 36 centimeter square, and area of the circle pi r square, here r is 2 centimeter, pi r square, pi value of pi is 3.14, 3.14 we have to take 3.14 only, into r square means 2 square centimeter square, 3.14 into 4 centimeter square, multiply, and you will get 3.14 into 4, 12.56 centimeter square. Now area of the remaining sheet from the square sheet 36 centimeter square, you will subtract 12.56 centimeter square, arrange the value in this way, 36.00 minus 12.56, and you will get this 4 and this 6, 4 point. Now after subtracting you will get 23.44 centimeter square, and this will be the answer of this sum. Now question number 12. The question is, the circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and the area of the circle. And it is also given the value of pi, you have to take it 3.14. Now circumference is given. So the given portion is circumference. You know the formula of circumference of a circle, 2 pi r equal to 31.4 centimeter. It is given 31.4 centimeter. Now value of pi is given 3.14 into r is equal to 31.4. We are removing point by giving dividing it by 10, because after 0.1 places are there, so 10th place, so dividing by 10. And here also you can remove the decimal sign and by 100, because after 0.2 places are there. Now r equal to 314 by 10, it was there, and the 100 will go in the numerator, and in the denominator you know 2 into 314, 2 into 314 will come, because this was in the numerator. You remember the simple equation, by transposing, numerator portion will go in the denominator and the denominator portion will go in the numerator. Now cancel it, 314, 314, 0, 0, 2, 5 is 10. Therefore radius of the circle 5 centimeter, So the radius, you have to find the radius also. 5 centimeter. First part's answer is this. Now you have to find the area of the circle. Now area of the circle, pi r square, pi 3.14, it is given. R square means 5 square, centimeter square, multiply 3. Now multiply 3.14 into 25, 78.5 centimeter square. So first answer is radius of the circle and second answer is area of the circle. I hope the sums will be easy for you if you practice it. Thank you, students.